What's the meaning of astrophysicist? Astrophysicist. Astrophysicist.
Astrophysicist. Astrophysicist. An astrophysicist is a scientist who studies the physical properties and behavior of celestial objects such as stars, planets, galaxies. They use a variety of techniques such as observations, experiments, and simulations to understand phenomena like gravity, radiation, and the evolution of the universe. Their research often involves collaborating with astronomers, cosmologists, and other physicists. By studying the fundamental nature of the universe, astrophysicists help deepen our understanding of the cosmos and its evolution over time.